For me, portraiture captures a person in one click. My art is really based on anti-racism, social justice, and on making people feel good about themselves through portraiture. With this project, I photographed 100 Camden residents, as young as 2, as old as 118, and I had them complete the phrase, "Camden is." The places that I chose to adhere my posters to, a lot of times there are abandoned buildings. So what I wanted to do was to show the beauty through all of the trash, and then maybe people will say, well, let's clean up around here so we can really make our city beautiful. It's important for me to show people that normally don't get the light that they deserve, these unsung heroes. I'm here to document not only their struggles, but also their victories as well.